equal opportunity does wisdom give? Wisdom gives everyone an opportunity to exceed their knowledge. Things prevent from excessive knowledge and decreased knowledge when man wishes to exceed wisdom. 1. Belief in a liar and deceiver. Therefore, man should beware of liars. To do so, man should improve his ability to separate accurate, wise words from lies. 2. Desire to gain a reputation among men. 3. Love, value money more than knowledge and wisdom. What quality, ability does man need to exceed wisdom from common sense, fifth sense to wisdom, sixth sense? 1. Do not believe in lies and deception. To do so, a man should improve his ability to defile another person by word. A wise man practices what he knows. So, observe what good deeds a man does. Gain knowledge beforehand, not to be deceived. 2. Let your good knowledge and wisdom honor you and be revealed to others. 3. Love knowledge and wisdom more than money. Hear the words of a wise person. Who is a wise person? Because there are things without wisdom in the world, man must rule over what to wish in order to feel joy that cannot fade away by lie and deception, and exceed his knowledge to know what to do good and have to finish good deeds in order to gain wisdom. To achieve this, man is the wisdom of the world to reveal hidden, unknown knowledge and feelings of man, to treat and be treated with equal treatment. Therefore, the wise is one who understands wisdom and feels joy that cannot be faded away by lies and deception. Belief is feelings of man. A man's belief is revealed to another person by his words and how he practices what he understands. If a man understands wisely, what he practices by action is free from unequal treatment, inspired by money earned lawlessly, reputation gained among people, false understanding, lies, and deception. How wisdom treat land where we live in. Dry land was covered with the water once. We enjoy dry land on the surface, but there is groundwater underneath. Dry land brings forth fruit trees, wheat, and vegetables for our food. Not only provides food for us, but also provides grass for animals we herd and consume as food. Food we eat sustains our body and keeps our blood free from disease and unbearable pain. How we treat land has an impact on our blood through the quality of food. Wise treatment is to focus on the quality of food production and reduce the production of non-food products that their production require natural resources. How wisdom treat land where we live in. Activities we take action in order to satisfy our daily consumption. The more diversified the products we consume are, the more natural living things are transformed into non-living material items, resulting in massive waste generation. What does our interest damage? Our interest in consuming more products damage natural resources and creates waste. How can we make our interests less harmful to natural resources? We can avoid rejecting goods we consume more often and replace them with new ones again and again. Our tendency to reject each other and the products we consume is a failure we should correct and make rejection into acceptance, strengthening people's understanding quality up to the same level of your understanding, and improving people's ability to separate right from wrong to your level of ability is the only good solution to reduce the gap between acceptance and rejection. For this reason, you all need a insurance version regardless of nationality, gender, age, and background.